If you're concerned about allergens, dust, or airborne germs in your home, a whole home air purifier can help you breathe cleaner, healthier air every day. Hello, my name is Kenny Abel, and I'm a product manager for indoor air quality at Carrier. Let's explore the benefits of an air purifier. The first benefit is obviously cleaner air. Whole home air purifiers trap and eliminate a wide range of airborne particles, including pollen, dust, pet dander, and smoke. Installed as part of your HVAC system, they clean the air as it circulates through your entire home, not just one room at a time. The second benefit is system protection. Whole home purifiers trap not just the dirt that gets circulated in the home, but also the dirt that gets circulated through your HVAC system. Filters with a higher MERV rating remove more particles and thus provide better protection to the parts within your HVAC system. Our DGAPA air purification system provides an exceptional MERV 15 level filtration while allowing a similar airflow to a MERV 10 filter. And the third benefit is low maintenance. Unlike portable units, whole home purifiers are out of sight and work quietly with your heating and cooling system. Many models require only a simple filter change a few times a year. No daily upkeep is required. A Carrier whole home air purifier helps improve your indoor air quality, room to room, all year long. Talk to your local Carrier dealer to find the right air purification solution for your home.